Heyo, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob. No, I'm joking. It's me, your boy, Low Quality Joe here, with our very first Fun Fact Friday, where you ask the questions, I answer them. So, if we go to our very first question, wrong page, right page. Who came here looking for Justin Y? Who's Justin Y? Seriously, I have no idea. No, here's a better question. Yo, Dylan, what's the difference between cognitive testing, heuristic evaluations, and usability testing? And at what stage of the product development cycle are those evaluation methods applied? Asked by Mr. Tsinga. Well, Mr. Tsinga, didn't you listen in class when we discussed this? Did you? I'm joking, that's why I have Google. So, what is a cognitive walkthrough? Well, a cognitive walkthrough is usability inspection method used to identify usability issues. Um, it allows developers to identify users' goals and how they attempt to execute it in an interface, and then identify any problems that they may run into while trying it. And this gets done very early in the development cycle before you even begin coding. As you can see here in Google, it's a series of tasks, and you need to ask a set of questions from a perspective of the user. The focus of the cognitive walkthrough is on understanding the system's learnability for new or infrequent users. Now, to give you an example, there's an observer, a computer facilitator, a camera recording an event, and a user with a low fidelity prototype, and he's busy interacting with the system, completing a set of tasks, and then you take notes and you record and you see what the problems are in your system. All right, now let's go on to the second question, or part of one big question, is what is a heuristic evaluation? Well, it's basically, as it says, a usability inspection is a method for computer software that helps to identify usability problems in the user interface. Um, it specifically involves evaluators examining the interface and judging its compliance with recognized usability principles. Usability principles, you say? Yes, let's go to Wikipedia, the not so trusted site. Well, there's 10 things you need to remember from Nielsen, the man. He said, visibility of the system status is something you need to keep in mind. Match between system and the real world, user control and freedom, and you can go read through all these things yourself. I mean, everybody knows how to Google, right? But basically, it's a set of things that you need to keep in mind and evaluate. Does your project meet the set requirements? Those 10 things. And the thing about that is that if we go back to our slides over here, is that you've got a number of evaluators, right? And the more evaluators you have, the proportion of usability problems found will get less. So around about by 5 evaluators, there won't be a need to have more, because the problems you'll find will most likely be minor ones or problems that have already been found by the 5 evaluators. And after 10, I'd say it's useless. If you going to have more than 10 evaluators, you're going to waste your money. Seriously, you're going to waste your money. So, on to the third part, and that is, what is usability testing? Oh, just to answer your question on when you do heuristic evaluation, you do that in the beginning phases of the project. Right, that's clear. Well, usability testing is used to evaluate the product while testing it on users. So this happens near the end of the product development cycle, when the product's already developed, but changes could still be made, and That's why you're testing. It's a technique to measure how easily the system can be used for end users. Again, if we go to our slideshow, is an example of a facilitator with a participant, the user, and the observers, most likely developers. They're observing the participant using the real system in an environment which it would be used. And they can take notes and maybe have eye tracking software if it's a web-based system, anything that could help them identify what they can fix or improve upon in their system. Now, I'd like you to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below and smash that bell button.
I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, 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 I've been deed, I've been died. I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, 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 I've been deed, I've been died.
I like this song very much. Double day, double da, double day, double da, double day, double da, double day, double da, China number one.